Hello, today we will guide you through how to find ThinkorSwim account number. In this short walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where your account number lives inside ThinkorSwim and share a few quick tips to make sure you're looking in the right place, whether you're on the desktop platform or the web version. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim app or navigating to the ThinkorSwim web platform in your browser. Sign in as you normally would and give the platform a moment to load your workspace. Once everything appears, focus your attention on the very top area of the screen. You're looking for the account selector. This is the spot that shows your active account. Depending on your setup, it may display an account nickname, the last few digits of your account number, or a small drop-down arrow indicating there's a menu you can expand. With the workspace loaded, click directly on that account area at the top. This click opens a compact menu or panel. It's designed to help you switch between accounts if you have more than one, and it's also where the platform reveals the full account number for the selected account. On some layouts, you'll see balances, buying power, and other key details right alongside the identifier. If you've labeled your account with a custom name, don't worry, that won't replace the actual number. The full number will still appear in the expanded view. After clicking, you should now see your account number displayed clearly. If you manage multiple accounts, such as individual, joint, or retirement accounts, they'll be listed here, each with its own number. Simply confirm you're looking at the correct line before you note the number. Occasionally, for privacy, the platform may partially mask the digits until you interact with the menu. If you see an eye or reveal icon, tap it to show the complete number. If it's still hidden, check that you're clicking the account selector itself rather than a nearby tab or watch list. A few helpful reminders as you wrap up: your account number is sensitive financial information, so avoid sharing it in chats, screenshots, or on stream screens. If you don't immediately see the account selector, try maximizing the window or reducing your chart panels so the top bar has room to display the full control. And if the number doesn't appear due to a temporary platform issue, a quick refresh and sign in usually resolves it. That's all there is to it. Open ThinkorSwim, look to the top of the screen for the account selector, click it, and your account number will display. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.